First, I am going to make the buttermilk. So here I am adding 1 cup of milk. To that, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Since I am using a half a tablespoon, I'll be adding the vinegar twice. So now I'm going to stir it, then I'm going to leave it for about 5 to 7 minutes until the buttermilk is ready. My chicken was seasoned ahead of time, so I will list in the description box what I used to season my chicken. So when you're going to prepare a fried chicken, it's best to take your chicken out of the refrigerator for about 10 to 20 minutes before you start frying it. In the bowl, I have 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. To that, I am going to add 1/4 cup of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix to combine all the dry ingredients together. The buttermilk is ready when the milk curdles. I will be adding an egg into the buttermilk. I will also add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. It is optional, but I don't really like the taste of egg, so when I add it into the egg mixture, then it will not taste raw. So now guys, I am ready to prepare my chicken for frying. So with clean hands, I am going to remove the seasoning from the chicken. Then I'm going to add it into the egg milk mixture. Then I'm going to let it stay in there, turning occasionally for about a few seconds. Then I'm going to drain the excess. Then I'm going to dip it into the flour mixture using the dry hand. So you're going to use one hand to dip in the milk with the chicken and the other hand to dip in the flour. So while you're dipping in the flour, you're going to turn it. Then you're going to press the flour onto the chicken. Then you're going to shake the excess flour off. Then you're going to dip it back into the egg mixture. Then you're going to do the same step that you saw me do earlier. When you do your chicken this way, it will not taste different, but it will have like a little flakiness on the chicken itself. So I like the flakiness. I don't know about you guys, but I do like it, so this is why I'm doing it this way. So now I'm going to place it onto a plate. Then I'm going to repeat the step about 2 more times. Then I'm going to do the rest off camera. am finished preparing my chicken, so I am going to set it aside and heat the oil for frying. My oil is ready, so I'm going to add the chicken into the pot. So I will be adding 3 pieces. You could add 3 to 4 pieces at a time, depending on the size of your pot. But do not overcrowd the pot. I will not be deep frying, so I will fry the first side on a high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will turn them over and reduce the flame to a medium. While I do so, I will stay close by so that they do not burn. And also, when both sides finish frying, I will reduce the flame to low so that they can soak through and fry properly. In total, I will fry the chicken for about 10 minutes. They are finished frying, so I am going to remove them from the pot. But while I do so, I will drain the excess oil, then I'm going to place it on a wire rack. Now I'm going to fry the other set, then I'm going to return to you when I'm finished frying. This is how my buttermilk fried chicken looks after it's all done. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you do. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please tell a friend and let a friend tell a friend what's happening over here so that they can come on over and be a part of the family. Thanks for watching.